antiquing in Peking.
Go antiquing in Peking.
I wish we were going to China.
I wish we were going to China.
But how are we going to get there?
But, how are we gonna get there?
You mean we're gonna fly?
You mean we're gonna fly?
You said I was gonna be the pilot.
Oh, you said I was gonna be the pilot.